hours and a half, and we are here at Osaka. We have arrived at Shin Osaka, and we are going to Namba Station. So we need to figure out how to go there. Alright, so easiest way is to just go to a JR line queue and then get another card. This time we got a Ikoka card. It can only be used in the Osaka, Shin Osaka, Kyoto kind of places. So we are at Shin Osaka and there's still as many people as Tokyo, maybe just a bit less. But still, so many people. Sheesh! Seems like Osaka at the Namba station really, and rather Japan has the trend of having underground shopping. And it looks pretty nice. Not gonna lie. Very nice place indeed. There's even a Muji here. Time to check in to our hotel. Right, so we're here, business in Senichime Hotel. Wow. So this is the entrance. We entered into our place, our stay, and we are going out. Looks pretty standard, but we'll see how. Put the key in here after entering the room. Then you go straight, and then that's the bed. The space is alright, quite reasonable, and then the light, and apparently you can open that to see the sunlight if you want. And other than that, this is the toilet. Alright, so this is the train station at Kitetsu Nipponbashi station. Very open, very scary. Yay! Train has arrived. Very pretty, the designs on it. Look at this, all the railings, and railings are all at different heights. And it's different from Tokyo because there's no like railings that you can hold on to in between the seats. Interesting. Right, so we are here at Izakaya Toyo, the one-man show. And the queue is long. Hopefully it's 15 minutes. And now it's 4:59. Let's see how fast we get our place. Oh, so it's this man. Okay, maybe not one-man show, but everybody is just standing up and eating. So I guess this is a stand up and eat kind of place. Cool. Let's hope this is good because this is supposedly Osaka's famous place. Alright, so we are done eating our dinner. As you can see, the unagi, the sea urchins, the fish roll. Woo. They were smooth, good. Yeah. Especially the unagi. Oh, very fresh and meaty. Even the fatty tuna was fatty, so it was good. Was it worth 1 hour wait? Probably not. Even though I queued at 5 o'clock, 4:59, and it only came. I only got my turn at around 6 or so, 6:05. Well, I guess this is the kind of place where you have simple dinner and drinks. That's why it's so famous. Seems like Kyobashi Station people perform instruments, and if you can hear, beatboxing over there. Sheesh, you guys are legend. In the middle of everybody's walking by him. Kyobashi Station. Osaka Station. It's surrounded by two very big buildings. Wow. Nice view. Woo. Well, now looking at the Ferris wheel, it looks like a tall building that's lit up. Well, Hopefully I get closer, it looks better. Alright, so you just need to buy the ticket from out there, go to 6th floor, buy the ticket, get this, and then you go inside the Ferris wheel and enjoy your time in there. The city lights and all for 600 yen each. Oops, let's see. Yeah. Oh. So we're currently in the Ferris wheel compartment. Apparently even locals do it. Hopefully the view up there is nice. It feels like just sitting down on a chair and you're being moved by a machine. Yep, that's what the Ferris wheel feels like. Just that maybe you have better views. Better than your papa carry you on the shoulder and show you fireworks. In the inside, looking at Lukwa, Osaka Station. Hopefully the view will be better when we go all the way up. Alright, we are at the top and I see building lights. The other garage. More building lights. More building lights. And more things at the top. I see all this. I think I don't have to go to the other building anymore. Yep, this is good enough. 600 yen. The other one is 1,500 yen. No. What? This is good enough. I'm happy, satisfied. I'm a satisfied customer. Right, so this is Dotonbori, the river, which is very alive considering now it's like 9:08 PM. There's like music going on, large crowd of people. Just here. Wow. And the famous guy that's doing that. Look at that. Everywhere around me there's people. Wow. Namba station, eh? Hey guys, comment down below. Which Ferris wheel will you go to in Osaka? If you were me, I would choose the same exact Ferris wheel. Why? Because it's cheap, it's good, the timing's just right, and the view is not bad.
Hey, seems like you have made it to the very end. You are the real MVP and I appreciate you. Also, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and let's try to get this channel to 100 subs. And if you can, please do share with your friends and your family.